Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. There's several things that you have to test out. You have to test out the objectives. On Facebook, on the business manager of Facebook, that I don't know if you guys are familiar with it, but you should become familiar with it, which is business.facebook.com. On that one, you have to select which objective that you want to optimize for. Do you want to optimize for messages, for traffic, for engagement on your page, for video views? You want to select what you want to optimize for. You also have to select what is your audience. Do you want to target people that are interested in certain things, what they call core audiences? Do you want to target people based on their interactions with other pages, other websites? Do you want to target people based on the interest and engagement with your own brands and your own things or your own websites? Do you want to target cold traffic? Like, you got to decide what traffic do you want to go after, and it also is going to vary depending on your offer. If you have a really deep discount offer that you want to promote, well, then that's a certain audience. If you have a full price funnel that you're trying to set up, that is also a certain audience. And as a last step, you got to select the creative. Guys, cookie cutter days are over. The idea of grabbing a single ad and just grabbing that exact ad and putting it out there for 30 seconds on a video commercial is gone. That's no longer the case when it comes to what's happening today in the marketing world. Like television, 30-second ads, right? Facebook, you have carousel ads, videos, single videos, presentations, collections. You got so many different formats. You got Instagram stories that are 15 seconds. Now you have the new Instagram carousel stories. You heard me right. 45 seconds carousel story ads on Instagram, and that's a new phenomenon right now. So there's many different creatives that you can select, and it's all about making sure that you connect with people, that you communicate to them the right thing. You have to find the testing. It has to be enough for you to be able to produce a result along the way. Another factor to take into account is that Facebook is going to get better with time, meaning that they do want you to see results. They want you to be successful, because if you're not successful, then they don't get more money. So that's one thing that people don't understand. Facebook's customers are not the users. Facebook's customers are us, the advertisers, you, me, the ones that are giving us their money to be able to actually grow on their platforms. So if they give us results, which they want, then we can give them more money and they can keep growing. So that's why it's so powerful. So in reality, you want to work hard at communicating with Facebook consistently for your ads, for your audiences, for your testing, so they can understand more the audience that tends to respond the most to your message. The most common reason for failure: people get impatient, they spend $500, they spend $100, and they say, you know what, Facebook ads didn't work. I knew it. This whole thing is shenanigans, and I'm not gonna be able to actually grow my business with Facebook. Let me go and print some media mail. Let me go and get into a magazine. Guys, not enough testing.